La emhlabeni abantu bathwele kanzima mhlawumbe ngcono. Le nkinga uyitshela ukuthi unayo, I'm sure incane ney'nkinga zabanye abantu. Yazi bengithi ngiyagowa kanti no man. Khona umuntu ogowa ukudlula mina. Bengifunde esinye istori lapha. It's about ubhuti bekazama ukuthi athole umsebenzi. Ngenhlanhla leyo wahamba wayofesa, wabizwa, kwathiwa sifuna ushaye i-fitness test. Sicela usiphathele umchamo wakho bese yonke into sesizokutshela after ukuthi wenzakalani. Ayi nangempela ubafu uyabona ukuthi hayi vele la ngisenkingeni ngoba ngizoyifeyila le fitness test because bashaya nama-medical bafuna ukubona ukuthi ngi-healthy kangakanani. Uthi hayi ingwenya yona yavele yabonga ukuthi no, 1 plus 1 is 2. Yahamba. Mayifika endlini kanti inengane na-16 years. Yentombazana. Yathatha umchamo wakhe untombazana ngoba engeke ihambise wayo ukuze izongena phakathi ithole umsebenzi. Kanti mayifika lapha ingwenya ithi yona ngoba iyaphuza and iyabhema so bengeke imphumela e-right. Uthi ngiyafika lapha nange-confidence ngiyasubmit. Sengiyabuyela lapha ngibiziwe kuthiwa nayi imphumela ibuyile bafu. Uthi yimi loya with confidence. Angifika lapha kuthiwa kimi congratulations, you are 3 months pregnant. Ngeke ngabona nami ukuthi yalazi ibhadi inkinga ozilandele yona ngokwakho. Sekayibuza ke manje mina pregnant. Ingqondo seyabuya ukuthi no man untombazana lekhaya. Ngithi yabona ukuthi ezinye zey'nkinga empilweni abantu bazilandela zona azifikile. Kodwa sikho lapho. Sanibonani football lovers. Welcome to PK Sports. Igama lami Mbonginkosi. Ngithembe ukuthi ni kahle niyaphila. Dango. Today we're going to discuss about a topic that it's interesting because it's about our coaches. And today there was a statement issued out by Mickey June, African football journalist, saying that Kaizer Chiefs have found a coach and everything, it seems like it is signed, sealed, and the only thing left now is for the coach to be announced. And while stating that, he said it is a 3-year, not a 3-year deal, a 2-year deal with an option to extend, meaning they might make it a 3-year, of which I believe it's a strategy that they are using because even on Nasreddin it was like that. And he said the coach will be announced around the 15th to the 8th of June, during that period in between from E5 to E8. And then he went on to say he will arrive in Johannesburg from 8/22 where we 25 of June, because they will need to prepare for a preseason as the team will go for that 10 days trip. So lokho kuchaza into eyodwa good, okay, already the coach is there, everything they've agreed on terms, so it simply means that coach is waiting to be announced. And he gave us a hint he's coming with 2 South African technical staff members of his own, meaning kune foreigner khona lapho. That's a hint. So share us dribble so that we know we'll keep on guessing because he doesn't want to ruin the surprise, because he knows it needs to be revealed from A5 June to E8 June. So him loyana shy research ke manje ngizenza abo Einstein, abo Isaac Newton. I've compiled a list of candidates that were linked with i-Kaizer Chiefs to be head coaches for the season 2026-2027. Because I'm looking for one thing, who is the coach that will have two candidates? Not two candidates, man. Two technical staff members that are from South Africa. As you can see from the screen, Rhulani Mokwena. Obvious umlungisi la khona uhleli kahle, but never say never, because you can expect the unexpected. If Kaizer Chiefs can propose and table an offer that is appealing to him, he might leave Al Ittihad Tripoli. But I don't think it's Rhulani, because as you can see from the screen, now technical staff yakhe iphelele. Bonke ama South Africans. Nyabona lapha yana boSinethemba Bhatela. And the goalkeeper coach, assistant coach, and fitness coach, as you can see, they are all South Africans. And it would have been a good appointment if Kaizer Chiefs decides to sign Rhulani. But Lana, I can assure you it's not Rhulani. If it's Rhulani, it simply means Mickey is playing mind games with us. Remember, here nothing is concrete. I'm speculating based on the research that I've made. I'm loyal nyasuka. Ngiyakuye straight Dr. Pitso Mosimane, because everyone wants him to be the leader of Kaizer Chiefs come next season. And then he shared his views and his take on the Kaizer Chiefs job. And obviously, you all know he's keen to coach Kaizer Chiefs, but it all lies in the hands of Kaizer Chiefs, because he is flirting with the Kaizer Chiefs. A coach with pedigree that can help Kaizer Chiefs turn things around. He has done it before. And experience counts. And you need a coach of Pitso Mosimane's caliber at Chiefs. That arrogance, let alone his expertise. But as you can see from the screen, all those technical members are from South Africa also. But umbuzo wami ulaphana ukuthi uKabelo Rankgoga kwenzakalani ngaye, because ngimbone mina kwi-Orbit College. So njengoba i-Orbit College relegated, kusho ukuthi relegatewa nabo or bekwi-piece job. Because one thing about this thing of a technical team, kuthi manje if coach akana span, it simply means God sonke asispan. We are not working. Hayi ngadlula ke ku Dr. Pitso Mosimane. Ngaya ku Benny McCarthy. It's another coach that wants that coaching gig at Chiefs. But manje naye unespan le Kenya. And it seems like kuti naye eyakhe technical team mawuthi uyayibheka, the only foreigner waseKenya, because bamthole lapha as he is the one that is going to show them the ropes, because he's Kenyan. That's what they do when they appoint a head coach that is not from South Africa, or not. What do I want to say? A head coach that is not from that country. They need someone that is from that country so that he can be able to ambonise, advise. Another one, you see, ayikho ke laphana into surprising, because there's no way uBenny can travel with that technical member ngapha eMzansi, because abajwayelananga kangakho. But laba bayi-3 ubajwayele, khuluma ngabo Monif Joseph. Hayi sasuka ke lapho. Now siyabheka ke manje ukuthi hayi sesiyaphuma ke kampela emakhazeni, sekuzofudumala ke manje. Sakhula vele besidlala bekuthiwani konje izindlu noma yini umafihlela into thi uyabanda mawukude nayo, but mawuseduze kuthiwa uyashisa. Sesikuvutha ondaba. Singena manje kuKrunoslav Jurisic, a former Pyramids coach. It's another coach that has achieved great things for himself as a head coach, locally and continentally. He is a Croatian and he has won Egypt Cup 2 times, has won CAF Super Cup once, and also CAF Champions League once, and FIFA African Asian Pacific Cup. La bhaqabule khona i-Al Ahly le yase Saudi Arabia, le yabo Eduardo Mendy, abo Demiral, abo Ibanez, Ivan Toney, wena Riyad Mahrez, ngisho wena Frank Casey. Lapho ke wazibonakalisa iquality yakhe ke uFiston Mayele by scoring a hat-trick. I remember quite well. Ayike yena ke naye, as you can see, his technical team nakho lapha ayikho engasho nje ukuthi kunama South Africans laphana, alikho nelilodwa. So yonke into leads to one man now. It's uManqoba Mngqithi. Ngithe mangibhekisisa ngabheka i-technical team yakhe lapha ku Golden Arrows, and what just happened ukuthi i-contract yakhe is coming to an end, and it's like he has no intentions of renewing. And Kaizer Chiefs doesn't have a coach, and he was linked with the Kaizer Chiefs. It makes sense, but I'm not confirming that it's him. But here, the combos are communicating. Something is beating water, because if you can look at this technical team of Manqoba Mngqithi, there's Musa Bilankulu, there's Ukagiso Dikgatso, and there's Eduardo Schuler from Brazil. He's a fitness coach. I don't know what I'm making sense, but as you can see on screen, with now 2 South African technical members, it's Musa Bilankulu and Ukagiso Dikgatso. But now umuntu wangaphandle lapha. He's from Brazil and he was appointed in 2019 ku Golden Arrows. Angazi ke ukuthi ngiyayiphasa i-test or I failed dismal, but into abayenze lana ukuthi vele benze sure ukuthi bayasidrabula. But if it happens by the day they announce ukuthi this is the head coach of Kaizer Chiefs from the 5th of June to the 8th of June, everything will be crystal clear. But mina, this is what I've managed to figure out while I was doing my research. Ngakhohlwa ke ukulike nokusubscribe to the channel.